Hey everyone, thank you for clicking this video and tapping in with your girl Ndacia. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is actually going to be my desk tour. I have always been obsessed with desk tours and I love them since I was younger. Please excuse my nails, I'm very aware. But it's COVID-19 season and I just don't want to get them done right now, but I will soon. So anyways, bear with me. Yeah, I'm just gonna hop right in. This is my desk tour. I just moved into, actually I moved in January, but I'm now getting around to certain things, you know, be on a budget, you feel me? But I was able to get this really beautiful desk. I actually got it because there was a YouTuber, I wish I remembered. I actually tried to find the video again and I could not find it, but I'm always like saving links. Listen, I am the YouTube consumer. If you tell me about a good product, because I'm always watching reviews, it's like one of my things. I'm like, oh, I gotta buy this. But I looked for so many different desks and this was actually the perfect one. It was the best purchase. I didn't have to build anything. I just had to attach the legs to the top of the desk, which is freaking amazing. It was affordable. How much did I pay for it? It had to be like $200 or less. And for some reason I feel like knowing me is probably less. But I think I definitely got this from World Market. I'll find a link and I'll link it below, so you'll definitely have the pricing for that. But we're just gonna hop right in. I don't want to drag this intro. Again, thank you for clicking this video and tapping in with your girl Ndacia. If you do like this video, please subscribe or leave a comment below if you love desk tours, because I really love desk tours. And let me know what you think about my desk. It's simple right now. I am gonna get some storage for some other things that I need to unpack, but we're just gonna chime through it, guys. And this is not coffee, this is actually Ensure. Not drink coffee for a while for so many reasons, but yeah, I just need some drink, and this is, I actually really wanted to show you my cup. Let the adventure begin. This is from Target, it's really cute, so I just put some Ensure in it because I haven't eaten all day. Let's get into it, guys. Enough chit-chatting. So in this section, I'm pretty much just like showing you guys exactly how I put my desk together, or at least most of it, the beginning stages. I'm just hooking up my iMac. I should have tucked that cord behind, but I'm actually doing it right now as we speak because I'm just noticing it. Other than that, I just got these 3 wired racks. I'll definitely get into the nitty-gritty about everything. This is just pretty much a rough, like, not really a rough draft, but just me showing you how I initially started putting some items on my desk. And this is not really going to take too long. This is like all speed through. But in a few, we're gonna get right into the nitty gritty. And voila. This is pretty much the finished product. But I'm also gonna walk through each and every item that I have, guys, right now. Hey, so I'm just hopping right back here really quick before we actually hop into the desk tour. So if you stay to the end, be sure to stay to the end because I'm doing a really small giveaway. Pretty much, I just wanted to give away something. I'm gonna pick one winner, one lucky winner, and they're gonna get something from me. So if you want details on that, be sure to stay to the end of the desk tour to see how you can win and participate. Thanks, guys. Here we go. Okay, so this is my desk. This is how it looks right now. So essentially I got this desk from World Market. It is super sturdy, very pretty. I love the color. It matches with everything that I'm gonna be doing in my house. Just pretty much neutral tones, light as well as browns and things like this. So I guess we can start down here. I just have a cup full of pens. These pens, it's actually a mason jar. I just spray painted it gold. As you can see, it was super easy. These I got from Home Goods. It was a pack. It was really cute. These little guys, these little jars I got from Target. I think it was in a dollar section. I think they were like $1 or $3 each. And I just put all of my what's it, like clothespins and paper clips and things of, you know, paper binders, things of that nature in here, because I actually use them to clip stuff up here. Here I just got these little 2 hearts. I had got this for like Valentine's Day, but I keep it here. I usually put my SD cards here, but my 2 cameras have the SD cards in them, so, but this is usually the SD cards. This is just, you know, my AirPods. My beautiful iMac, it's like the best purchase I think I've ever bought as far as electronics. I love this thing. I've had it for like, I want to say 2.5 years now, 2 years or 2.5 years now. So that's that, pretty much a keyboard. I had a keyboard cover, it got really dirty, so I just ordered a new one, so that should be coming soon. I just ordered a clear one, so it's gonna look the same. My little mouse, this is my journal. I just like write down all my ideas and things like that. This one is actually for my YouTube, so I am planning to be more on here this year. Consistency is key, you feel me? I'm trying. Anyways, this is clearly a laptop. I usually actually sit at my, I usually use this at my my island in my kitchen. If I'm like eating and I want to watch something, I usually use that, but it usually sits here. And then I just have this little cute guy. If you've seen my last haul, I got him from Home Goods, and this is my mug that I was just showing you guys. Let the adventure begin. That is my lipstick back there. I'm not dirty. I wash all my stuff. Okay. And this, of course, is just the mouse with the laptop. This was actually gifted to me. A very great person gifted that to me. And then last but not least, well, this is actually not the end of it, but I do have my chair. This I actually bought when I was working at WeWork. They have like sales. They used to have sales and things like that for furniture that they were getting rid of. I got this at a really good deal. I honestly don't remember how much I paid for it, but I know it was a steal. This was the only piece of furniture I brought from New York to here because it was the only thing that could fit in my car. I just detached the legs and then I was able to fit in my car. And then this pillow, where did I get this pillow from? I want to say I got this pillow. Look at my curly hair on this. I want to say that I got this pillow from Target. Is that the Target or Home Goods? I don't remember. I've actually had it for a little while, so I really don't. Damn, it's either Target or Home Goods. I said Targets. Did I just say Targets or Home Goods? It's either Target or Home Goods. So anyways, let's get into the drawers. The desk is a 70-inch desk, so it is really long, which I love. It's literally perfect. At first I was like, this might be too long, because sometimes you see like 70-inch couches and I can't imagine a couch being this like this short. It's weird. But anyways, so this is everything that's in my desk. Once I push it in, everything kind of pushes back. But it's like general stuff. Like this is pretty much what I have in my desk. It's not, it was kind of organized before, but as I push the desk, it shifts. So I guess I need to get like an organizing tray so that everything can like sit in here fine. But essentially I just got some knickknacks, some more paper clips. They were just too colorful to put up here. Paints, whiteouts, things that I've had for like a long time. These are my bookmarks. I'm actually using one out of it for the book that I was reading. I stopped, but I need to actually start them back. These were stamps that I bought so long ago and I never used them. I have a tendency of buying things that I never use. I think I have some tape back here. Things like that. In this drawer here, I actually keep my planners. So this is just my journal. It just has like, you know, regular lines like that. And then this is like an actual like planner. This is a really great planner actually. And I have 2 planners. Again, I buy things, don't even use them. I mostly use this one, but I try my best to use like both of them. So I have these 2 planners and I have all of my washi tapes and my stickers and stuff in here. So when I am planning, I can just have it right there. It really does come in handy. These drawers are really shallow. They're not deep. I wish they were a little bit deeper so I can fit more things in it, but they're not, and I still love it, so it's okay. This is literally just pens and markers, and apparently, I think I bought this the same time I bought the hearts. This is just like some stuff from Target. It had to be like $1 or so. I'm sure that it was. Oh, it's not focusing. Anyways, it's really just some hearts. And then the rest of these are just pens, all of my rework pens, like all of my pens. And that is really it. So that is like the full desk tour. It's really, oh no. And then up here I have some knickknacks. So I have these 3 wired frames. I actually got this from like some random site. They were white. I actually have 6 of them. I'm gonna put the other 3 in my bedroom. And they were white, and then I just spray painted them gold. And they were really cheap. It was so long ago. I don't know if I can find that link, but I'll try and link it below. If I do find it. Anything that I have here, if I can find it, which is pretty much nothing, but yeah, I don't think anything is like new. The desk itself, I can link. This is something I just made in college, really simple. It's my initials, EB and Daisha Butterfly. This is actually my friend, Daniqua. We took this so long ago, but I actually really loved these shoes, and I asked, can I take a picture of them? And I did. This was when I went to Eric Thomas. He had like a whole thing, and a Willie Moore Jr. was there. It was just something that I felt that I liked. It says, be careful who you connect with, because your gift is making room for you. Failure is not a person, it's just an incident. If you're talking to everybody, you're talking to nobody. Pride will make an excuse, humility will make an adjustment. Sometimes you have to be humble. No matter where your gift takes you, never forget who you were created to be. You win some, you learn some, but you never lose. Willie Moore Jr. I really like that. Here is just kind of a collage of like my family and my friends. There's so many missing. I haven't unpacked all my pictures, and some of my pictures are really big, so I just took the ones that are small. I have a lot of family members that's not up here, but I love you guys nonetheless. I am gonna try and find smaller pictures so I can put them up here. This is my niece, my younger brother when he was just born, my other brother, me when I was a baby. I love this picture, me and my nephew. Oh my gosh, you have no idea how much I miss him so much. Oh my gosh, Tiffany, my baby girl, my ride or die. This is Moya, and this is just, you know, a very special individual in my life. And then over here we have just some cards from when I ordered things. They come with little thank you cards, all Black Girl Magic right here. This was actually from an event, which was a really cute event. Look up the Bumbies. They come in and they pretty much talk about your outfit or something about you. They just randomly have their typewriter and they write it and then they print it out for you. So I was looking hella cute this day, and they rated me a 10 out of 10. Yes, boo. This is Lit by Brooklyn, Aja. This was Lux K, and this is actually a thank you card that I wrote to myself. You guys will get more insight about that on my birthday video, more than likely. So again, that is the end of my desk tour. I really hope you guys love it, because I really do love desk tours. Like, I really do. And I'm probably gonna have an updated one once I get my, I want to get like a little drawer or something. I'm gonna move this couch down because I do have space on the other end, but I'm gonna get like drawers or something here to put all my other stuff in, and then more organization. But essentially, this is my desk tour. I do plan to get either like a cork board here, or just to like post things, or like 2 shelves so I can put more, I can store more things up there. So yeah, it's not done yet, but this is what I have so far, and I think it's really cute. It came out really well so far, and I really hope that you guys like it. All right guys, bye. So hey guys, I'm gonna hop into the giveaway. Pretty much, I'm very excited that you guys made it to the end of the tour. I hope you guys like it and are excited for more to come, because I do have a lot more to come. So if you have been around here for a while, you know that I love journaling. If not, I love journaling. Like, that's just it. And I just wanted to do a really small giveaway just to say thank you for watching. And I just love giveaways. They're exciting. So I wanted to do one, and it's a really small one. It's my journal. Not my journal, but I'm always picking up journals, and I'm like, Daisha, you're one person with but only so many thoughts, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to do a journal. This comes with a notebook, a journal, and a pen. all with the same pattern. I think it's super cute. So essentially, I am gonna put the instructions on the screen. You just have to do a few things. Subscribe to my channel, like this video down below, tell me what you would use this journal for, and then hashtag COVID-19, hashtag desk tour. So I'm gonna randomly pick someone, and then, well, I'm actually gonna read all the comments, randomly pick someone, and then on April 5th, I think that is a Sunday. Let me double check if that is a Sunday. That is a Sunday. On April 5th, the winner will be revealed on both my IG and my YouTube video that I post that day, but definitely on my IG, just in case things happen out here. Things are weird. Things are getting weird. Be safe, stay healthy, and thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye.